So we are streaming on YT also. Just give me a minute. Just a minute, guys. We are moving to YT also. Yes. Just a minute. So good evening, everyone. Himanshu. Oh, no lights. Are Kattigaru, for whom you came here? इससे मिलने के लिए आ रहे कट दादा इधर. अरे nice to hear this. But if it is a true, I am very happy. ये ट्रू होगा तो हम खुश हो जाएगा बेटा. Hello Anjali, good evening. So how are you all? 1 minute, I am opening in YT also. Just I am checking there. Just a minute. Who is coming in YT? I am checking over here. Hello Mariswaran. How are you all guys? गुड इवनिंग सर. आज यहाँ पे जोर से बारिश हो रहा है, नेटवर्क भी नहीं है, रिकॉर्डिंग कर लूंगा. ओके दीप्ति, टेक केयर. नाइस कटतारा. हेलो बिट्टू, गुड इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग सुब्रता बेरा, गिरीश रावत, बिंदासाय, माधुरी. गुड इवनिंग माधुरी, हाउ आर यू? चलो गाइस, विल स्टार्ट द सेशन. 1 minute यार, 1 minute, something going on here. अरे मेरा नाम नहीं मालूम है. मेरा नाम केपी सर, कृष्णा प्रकाश बोलेगा आदमी. संकेत, गुड इवनिंग. अंकुश रॉक, ट्रैवलिंग लवर विक्रम. चलो दीपा. So we have launched a new batch for GATE and ESC. So that GATE and ESC, not GATE and ESC, SSC JE State JE new batch. Yesterday only I have started environmental. Then today RCC started. RCC by Amit Jarola sir, environmental by me, surveying by Rajendra Prasad sir. 3 subjects going on. Full flow. So you can finish around 70% of your syllabus before prelims, 100% before mains. So do join the courses, exclusive English batches, especially for those who are KPSR followers. इतना कुछ मिल जाएगा उधर. Unacademy टेस्ट सीरीज में मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आपका नोट्स है डबल में. I think they are copying our class notes. They are downloading our PDFs and they are giving the questions. So we can take a patent right on it. Kattigaru, good evening Mohan. How are you? Data भी copy कर लिया. हाँ. So we are launching new batch for SSC JE State JE, and this is started. Batch is started. Recently 15th onwards only. So I have started environmental. Amit Jarola sir started RCC. So do join the batches guys. Chalo, ready? Shall we start now? Ready for questions? Hello Jodeep, good night. We'll start. Approximate value of shrinkage strain in concrete is. Approximate value of shrinkage strain in concrete is. Chapandi Mohan Garu, travel lover. What is the answer? Hello Kalyan, after a long time. Mr. Sanket, थोड़ा अच्छा देख के बताओ आंसर. How many zeros will be there? थोड़ा अच्छे से देख के बताओ संकेत. हाँ, 0.0003, 3 zeros, decimal के बाद 3 zeros and 3. So it is according to IS 456 2000, IS 456 2000, clause 6.2.4.1 clause. If we don't have any data, हमारा पास कुछ डेटा नहीं है, then approximate value of shrinkage strain is 0.0003, 3 zeros after decimal and 3. When we are going to take, when we don't have any test data, no other information, no test information, no test data, in such a case we take this as 0.0003. It is according to IS 456 2000, 6.2.4.1. Chalo. Which of the following properties of a plastic concrete modified by air entraining agents? Which one of the following properties of a plastic concrete modified by air entraining agents? Kalyan garu, check once. Kalyan ji, Prashant, very good. Prashant, nice. Nalin, please go through this. Sanket garu, check karo aapka answer. अरे जयदीप, वेरी गुड. संगू भाई, क्या हो गया आपको भी? All the above, no? All options are correct, we can say. All options are correct, we can say. Ananya, Supriya, Sangram, Himanshu, Sohan. Sohan is given D. Sohan is given D. Arey, what happened? Kat dada, why are you going? This is for gate also. Tappad mil jayega aapko. Good evening, Avnish Singh. Kalyan, nice. So we can say here, advantage of air entrainment. If you giving an air entrainment agent, if you are giving an air entrainment agent, it increases cohesion. Air entrainment agent is increasing cohesion. So bleeding and segregation decreases. Tappad milega, class attend karo pehle, kat garu. Bleeding and segregation decreases. Air entraining agents are given, a cohesion increase karega, segregation and bleeding decrease ho jayega, and workability increase ho jayega, increase of workability. So all options are correct only. Understand, we feel only workability is changing. Supriya, we consider only workability is changing. It's not only workability changing. It's about increasing workability, decreasing segregation and bleeding, because they increase the cohesion property. Cohesion property. Understand, Sanket? Got it? Anjali, Ananya garu, chalo. A concrete in which dry coarser segregate are first packed to have the, a concrete in which dry coarser segregate. Hello Akash Gupta, good evening Rachana, how are you Rachana? A concrete in which dry coarser aggregate are first packed to have the least voids, and then cement sand mortar is injected under pressure to fill all the voids, resulting in a very dense concrete. Prashant Kumar, Kalyan, very good. Sangram, Sashti, Saikat Garu, nice. Keep going. Good, Sohan, Bittu. So we call this as a pre-packed concrete. Pre-packed concrete. Pre-packed concrete is also called pre-packed concrete or grouted concrete. Have you heard the word? pre-packed concrete or grouted concrete. So this is used, this is written very clearly. Concrete in which dry coarser aggregate are first packed, having least voids, and cement sand mortar is injected under pressure to fill all the voids. You understand? So dry coarser aggregate is placed here with very least void arrangement. With a very least void arrangement, dry coarser aggregates are given. Now injection, pressure injection mold से, pressure injection से cement sand is given into the voids. Cement and sand provided into the voids. So for what purpose? For what purpose this is used for? For placing concrete underwater. For placing concrete underwater. So ये मालूम था आपको? Concrete for underwater structures we can use grouted concrete pre-packed. What is not visible? Avinash Singh, Aligarh. Is everything clear? Audio, video, is everything clear? Akash Gupta. Okay, done. Chalo. So pre-packed concrete for placing concrete underwater, and also in the condition when reinforcement is complicated. When you are talking reinforcement is complicated, in these two cases we use grouted concrete. Guddu garu, how are you? Grouted concrete. Then what is coming next? What is vacuum concrete? Vacuum concrete मालूम था? What is vacuum concrete? Prashant? क्या हो गया मेस्सी? बाय बाय. सो एक्सेस पानी निकल दिएगा हम कंक्रीट से. The concrete in which excess water is removed out by using mats, floats, vacuum foam, pads, that is called vacuum concrete. Yes, vacuum pressure, vacuum pads, vacuum mats are used. Excess water we can take out. Excess water we can take out. That is called vacuum concrete. Understand? Vacuum concrete is the concrete in which excess water is removed out. पानी निकल जाएगा. कैसा? Vacuum mats डाल दो, vacuum pads डाल दो, और foams are given to improve the strength बढ़ने के लिए. Strength बढ़ने के लिए. No fines concrete. Concrete without fine aggregate. Very lightweight concrete. Concrete without fine aggregate. Concrete without FA. Very lightweight concrete. Very lightweight concrete. Not to remove voids. Supriya, please understand. To remove excess water only from vacuum. In vacuum concrete, we use it to remove excess water, not voids. Not voids, excess water. And without fine aggregate. Without fine aggregate, what we can say? Without fine aggregate, no fines concrete we can call it. Then aerated concrete. Again lightweight. We can introduce air or gases into slurry of PPC. We can introduce air. Air is given into it. Gases are given into it. Into a slurry of PPC. PPC. That is aerated concrete. Aerated concrete. समझ आ रहा है? चलो. So you know the four. You understand the four. You can say it. Messigar, you can say it. Yes. First pre-packed concrete is a grouted concrete. Forcibly you are sending for under air pressure injection. You are sending cement and sand mortar. Vacuum concrete, you are removing excess water. No fines concrete without fine aggregate. Aerated concrete, you are going to inject air. So all 4 types are to increase the strength of concrete. Finally, ultimate goal. What is ultimate goal of all the 4 types? Ultimate goal of any type of concrete, one single objective, to improving the strength, increasing the strength of concrete. Chalo. For protection from frost, concrete should be. Frost protection, Deepagaru. For protection from frost, concrete should be dense, free from cracks, adhesion between mortar and aggregate should be perfect. All options are correct. It is dense. Pakka, it should be protect from frost. It must be dense, very dense. Free from crack. If crack is there, frost is absorbed. Adhesion between mortar and aggregate should be perfect. All options are correct. Yes, option D. All are correct. SSC JE favorite option. SSC JE favorite option आएगा. All are correct. हाँ, ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कट दादा, नहीं होगा थप्पड़ मिल जाएगा. In order to have segregation in concrete, dropping height should not be less than. We have discussed this already. Dropping height should not be less than. Messi garu, should not be less than. Dropping height should not be less than. Yes, actually it is 150 centimeter, 1.5 meter, but a nearby option we can select. I told in the beginning itself. Sangram, बोल दिया ना ये वाला. So हमको accurate answer मिलेगा, but exam में कोई range देने वाला था. ये range में nearby बाजू वाला option लेना पड़ेगा. That is very very important for us. So that is 100 centimeter which is nearby, 150 centimeter to, that is 100 centimeter you can take. The main object of compaction of concrete is, what is the main objective of compaction of concrete? So compaction of concrete, we call it as self-compacting concrete, SCC. You know SCC? Self-compacting concrete. Self-compacting concrete eliminate air holes, achieve maximum density. Eliminate air holes, achieve maximum density. Intimate contact between concrete and embedded material. Concrete and its base adsorbed material, both must be intimate contact. Option D. Option D. No, valid nahi tha na? No, it is not valid. It is not valid, Messi garu. Not AC 0, not possible in concrete. Chalo. So, what is the target benefit of self-compacting? Improve the constructability. If you are making self-compacting concrete, achieving all this, it improves the constructivity and causes superior strength and durability. Constructivity ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, strength बढ़ जाएगा, durability also along with strength. Generally, if you are increasing strength, there is a possibility to reduce durability. But it is not happening here. Strength increases, durability also increasing. So that is very important. Na? Strength, durability, constructivity. Strength, durability, constructivity. All are increasing. All are increasing because of self-compacting concrete. For a satisfactory workable concrete with a constant water cement ratio, for a satisfactory workable concrete with a constant water cement ratio, increase in aggregate cement ratio. Increase in aggregate cement ratio. Water cement ratio increases, strength decreases. Aggregate cement ratio increases, again strength decreases. Both possible. Yes, water cement ratio increases, strength decreases. Water cement ratio you kept constant, you put it as constant. Aggregate cement ratio increase karo, ultimately strength decreases only. Decreases na? Why? What is the reason? When aggregate cement ratio increases, fines increases. Aggregate cement ratio increases, na percentage of fines increases. When fines increases, what happened? Surface area increases. When surface area increases, what about water demand? Water demand increases, na? Please understand this. Please understand this. Aggregate cement ratio increases, cement less, bonding less strength, that is okay. That is general words. That can be told by a mason. Hamali wala bolega Payal garu. So as a technical civil engineer, you can't say that. You can't say that as a technical civil engineer. You can say aggregate cement ratio increases, fines, percentage of fines increases, surface area increases, water demand increases. As water demand increases, ultimately strength decreases. Understand? As water demand increases, ultimately strength decreases. Like that only you can say as a technical person. Don't say like a mason. Chalo beta. Understand? Kalyan garu, Madhuri. Chalo, we'll move on, guys. This is we know already. Addition of sugar in concrete results in. Concrete में sugar add होने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? Addition of sugar in concrete results in. So we know sugar is a retarder. Sugar is a retarder, na? Sugar is a retarder. Retards chemical reaction, please understand. Retards hydration of cement chemical reaction. So it increases setting time. Understand? Retarder, delay reaction. So setting time increases. But how many hours? How many hours setting time increases? How many hours setting time increases? About 4 hours. About 4 hours setting time increases. What happened, Jodip Garu? That is what for you only. Understand? Jodip, for you only. I have written that. It is not A, it is B. 4 hours increases. Bhaskar, Prashant Kumar, technical blogger. 4 hours increases. Chalo. Understand this. Sugar is a retarder. Retards the reaction, chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction fall down. Delay the reaction rate. Setting time increases. ये बताओ. Same Mantosh Garu also saying Payal. Mantosh also saying same. अरे क्या हो गया? Workability of concrete can be improved by. So it is not about cement. Please understand first. You are answering the question related to concrete. How many of you know this? How many of you know this? Workability of concrete, not for cement. Workability of concrete. So why not more cement? Why not more cement? Please tell me. With increase of cement, will concrete workability not increases? Tell me, guys. What happened if I am saying it is more cement? Workability of concrete improved by more cement. What happened? What is workability? Workability is the ease with which it is working. The ease with which working. Yes. No, we are not talking about cost na Himanshu. Ease to work improve हो जाएगा ना हो जाएगा, बस ये बताओ. Only you tell me that. We are not worrying about cost. We are not worrying about cost. So more cement ease of working will be. Then more cement only. We are not at all talking remaining property. We are not at all talking about remaining property. So workability, ease of working will be more possible if you take more cement. If fineness is increasing, please understand. Fineness of coarser aggregate is increasing. You do understand that property. Fineness of coarser aggregate is taken, surface area increases, water demand increases, it becomes more slurry. Please understand, we have written already. Here only. Fines increases, surface area increases, water demand increases, more water it is taken. If it is taken more water, it will become more slurry na? It will become more slurry na? Understand that point. So that is why we are saying more cement. Strength of concrete increases with. Strength of concrete increases with. Concrete strength. वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो इंक्रीज होने के बाद कंक्रीट स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. कौन बोल रहे हो बेटा? अरे वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो ज्यादा हो गया, स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा. क्या बोल रहे? अरे दिमाग सोच के बताओ. इंक्रीजिंग स्ट्रेंथ पूछ रहा है. वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो बढ़ गया, स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा. जस्ट नाउ रिटर्न ना, जस्ट नाउ रिटर्न ना. देखो, water cement ratio increases. What happened to strength? Strength decreases. Just now written ना. क्या हो रहा है बेटा? XYZ का बारे में मत सोचो, क्लास में ऑप्शंस का बारे में सोचो. अच्छे से आंसर दे दो. सैकतगारू, आपको रैंक आने के बाद इफ यू आर गोइंग टू क्रैक SSC JE XYZ पूरा मिलेगा. इनके सोचने के बाद इंक्रीज मत ले लो, इधर डिक्रीज ले लो. डिक्रीज इन वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो. डेंसिटी ऑफ कंक्रीट. दिस इज इजी. डेंसिटी ऑफ कंक्रीट. Density is equal to, this is simple relation na? Mass by volume. Size of aggregate increased, volume increased na? Sangu bhai, size of aggregate increased, volume increased. Size of aggregate decreased, volume decreased. So density inversely proportional to volume. Size is nothing but we can take in terms of volume. Size we will consider in terms of volume. So density increases with a decrease in size of aggregate. With a decrease in size of aggregate. Small things and known things. Everyone know this formula. Everyone know this formula ना. और किसी को नहीं मालूम था ये फार्मूला? చెప్పండి. దీపా గారు, దీపా మేడం, షష్ఠి గారు, షష్ఠి इज करेक्ट ओनली. अश्विन, अरे इतना आसान क्वेश्चन भी गंदा करने के बाद पूरा का पूरा नेगेटिव मार्क्स भी आएगा. डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. साइज इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम कम करने के कारण से डेंसिटी ज्यादा हो जाएगा. सिंपल. वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजेस, डेंसिटी डिक्रीजेस, वॉल्यूम डिक्रीजेस, डेंसिटी इंक्रीजेस. Yes, inversely proportional. Workability of concrete mix with low water cement ratio determined by. Workability of concrete mix, very important. They are asking concrete mix with low water cement ratio. Workability we can do any test. Please understand this point. Workability we can do any test. But for concrete mix with low water cement ratio, which test you can perform? So we never read this na. We simply see workability test is slump test. हमारे दिमाग में fix हो गया. So workability slump, workability slump, workability slump ऐसा सोचेगा. But they are asking workability with respect to, very good Hari, workability with respect to low water cement ratio concrete mix. Low water cement ratio concrete mix. Understand? Compaction factor test. Compaction factor test. Low water cement ratio. हाँ, correct. Kattigaru. After I say the answer, you are giving explanation. पहले आपका दिमाग कैसा चले गए? पहले आपका दिमाग कैसा चले गए बेटा? If compaction factor is 0.95, workability of concrete is, अभी आएगा देखो पायल मैडम. If compaction factor is 0.95, workability of concrete is, workability of concrete is, workability of concrete is very low, 0.75 to 0.8 compaction factor, CF. Workability is very low, compaction factor 0.75 to 0.8. Workability is low, 0.8 to 0.85. Workability is medium, 0.85 to 0.92. Yes, 0.92. Then greater than 0.92. Understand, Supriya, it is not 0.95. It is 0.92 only the range. Supriya and Deepa Garu. 0.95 is not medium range. 95 is not medium range. 0.92 only medium range. Deepa, Supriya. So what is the answer now? Answer is high. Answer is high. Payal Jengit, कहां से आ गया इतना BMC ऑप्शंस आपको? You are giving correct answers. I think you are having the book with you. You are having the book with you. चलो. Which of the following proportion of the ingredients of concrete mix is not in conformation to arbitrary method of proportioning? Which is not used? We can take 1:1:2, 1:2:4, 1:3:6, 1:4:8. 8 लेने के बाद हो जाएगा, but it is given 10 ना. 1:4:8 होगा It is correct, but it is 1:4:10, so not पूछ रहा है ना, so they can give 1:4:8, no problem, accepted. Messi will build high-rise building. किसके लिए? जेड के लिए. कटगारू जेड के लिए हाई-राइज बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा. चलो, concrete gain strength due to previous one required. Supriya, this one required. Concrete gains strength due to. Whenever we have the option of all the above, immediately we attract to it. That is SSC JE favorite option. But don't go for it. Please understand, don't go for it, SSC JE favorite option. It is for hydration of cement. Concrete gains strength due to chemical reaction between water and cement, hydration of cement. Hari, you are not coming to plus class. I have not seen you, Hari, in the plus class. What happened? So it is because of hydration of cement. Chalo. Maximum shrinkage takes place in concrete after drying for. Maximum shrinkage, not strength. Please understand this. Maximum shrinkage they are asking. Babu, कहाँ है संगू भाई? कहाँ है बेटा? हाँ, ये is for strength. That is what I shouted. Saikat garu, ये is for strength. We are not talking about strength. We are talking about election work, resurvey. So which area you are working, Hari? So this is 1 year maximum shrinkage they are talking na? Maximum shrinkage they are talking na? So this is 1 year. 1 year you can take maximum shrinkage. Maximum shrinkage 1 year. थ्री मंथ्स के लिए कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं. 3 months के लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग आएगा. Only you get negative marking because of 3 months. Under constant load, creep strain. Under constant load, the creep strain in concrete is time dependent only, na? Creep strain is time dependent, no doubt about it. Time dependent. And what is the maximum strength happened in this 1 year? What is the maximum strength happened in this 1 year value? You can take around 70 to 80%. Tappad milega. Shrinkage, sorry. Maximum shrinkage. Shrinkage, not strength. Maximum shrinkage. 70 to 80% shrinkage बोल रहे. 1 year में 70 to 80% shrinkage बोल रहे. Strength नहीं बेटा, shrinkage बोल रहे. 70 to 80% shrinkage. Lightweight concrete is prepared by. How are you preparing lightweight concrete? Just now we discussed 4 types of concretes. Just now we discussed 4 types of concretes. Grouting concrete, no fines concrete. We discussed air void concrete. Air void concrete is lightweight. No fines is very lightweight. Air void is lightweight. Air void is very important. So formation of air voids in cement paste. Formation of air voids in cement paste by substances causing foam. Omitting means eliminating. Are you eliminating the sand? You are creating air voids by omitting sand. Please tell me, omitting means removing. Eliminating, omitting means removing, eliminating. थोड़ा इंग्लिश आना चाहिए इधर. So we are not eliminating sand, na? So formation of air voids in cement paste by substances causing foam. Foam. We can focus on it. Calcium chloride, favorite question. Payal garu ka favorite question. Done. Chalo. Addition of calcium chloride in concrete results in. Addition of calcium chloride in concrete results in. Calcium chloride increased strength. Increased strength. Addition of calcium chloride. When you take extra RHC, it can gain 25% strength. In extra RHC you are taking calcium chloride. Extra RHC gain 25% strength greater than RHC, more than RHC. So we are adding additional calcium chloride in extra RHC. Additional extra rapid hardening cement. We are adding some 2%, yes, 2% of calcium chloride. 25% of strength is more. 25% of strength in how many days? In how many days this is happening? In how many days it is happening? 1 day. Only 1 day. 1 day strength is increasing. 1 day strength is increasing 25%. Please understand. 1 day strength is increasing by 25%. So focus on it. Two wet concrete may cause. Two wet concrete may cause. Now we are doubting whether to give SSC JE favorite option or not. Yes, two wet concrete will cause segregation, lower density, weakness, all the above. All are possible, na? Two wet concrete particles will be separated from one another. इतना वेट होने के कारण से डेंसिटी कम हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा. इतना वेट होने के कारण से डेंसिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा ना. अरे so guys, one small announcement. Leaving this, whatever batches are coming, SSC JE, State AE, GATE, and whoever your friends, seniors or juniors, whoever interested to prepare for competitive exams, या GATE या SSC या ESC, whatever it may be in Unacademy, सिर्फ हमारा यूनिवर्सल कोड बोलो KP Civil. Just let them know about your KP Sir. That's it. Let them enjoy the classes from your KP Sir. Let them enjoy the knowledge, in-depth concepts and the guidance, smart guidance to achieve their goals. Are Payal Garu, I thought Payal is very active. But Payal is not taking care of us. Payal is taking care of Mantosh only. She is not thinking about us. क्या करेगा हम? Curing period is minimum for concrete using. Curing period is minimum for concrete using. Arey, this is, are you thinking, is this a MSQ question model, Payal Garu? Every time you are giving two answers. One is for you, one is by Mantosh. Huh? The role, the void of Mantosh you are fulfilling here. So RHC, curing period is minimum for RHC, rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement, RHC. Any lag? Clear? Chalo. 50 kg fine aggregate, 100 kg coarser aggregate, mixed in a concrete whose water cement ratio 0.6. Please understand. 50 kg FA, 100 kg CA, mixed in a water cement ratio of 0.6. Water required for hash mix. Yes, I will refresh. Now is it clear? Please confirm once. Chalo. So we are taking 50 kg fine aggregate. 50 kg fine aggregate. 100 kg coarser aggregate. Then water cement ratio is 0.6. Water cement ratio 0.6. Weight of water required for harsh mixes. So you can take the formula. Weight of water as per harsh mix. Percentage weight of fine aggregate plus percentage weight of coarser aggregate into water cement ratio. You know this formula, na? Yes, Messi garu, it is there. Percentage weight of fine aggregate. We said it as a gate wala course. Maximum we covered in it in a very, very short time. Within 12 hours, maximum. I think you are observing all questions. 90% questions already covered in that course. We have given in the name of only 12 hours course. From timber, from cement, from concrete, all questions are covered there only. So percentage weight. So what is percentage weight of fine aggregate plus percentage weight of coarser aggregate? We can take 30% weight of fine aggregate, 5% weight of coarser aggregate. These are standard values. No? These percentages are standard values. No? 30% weight of fine aggregate, 5% weight of coarser aggregate. 30% of 50 kg. 30% of FA, 30% of 50 kg. FA is 15 kg. 5% of coarser aggregate. How many kg? 100 kg. Na? 5% of 100 kg. 5 kg. 5% of 100 kg is 5 kg. So we can take here 15 plus 5, 0.6. 20 into 0.6. 12 kg. चलो done, everyone got the answer. Shall we move? In the mix of a desired slump, in the mix, if the desired slump is not obtained, adjustment for each concrete slump difference is made by adjusting water content by. Desired slump is not obtained and you are finding adjustments for each slump. You are finding the slump test. So every time when you are adjusting what percentage of water content, means for example initially you started with 5%. Slump is not obtained. Desired slump not obtained. Then next to how much you are taking? Next to how much you are adding? Are you adding again immediately 5%? Or immediately 1%? Immediately 0.5%? Immediately 0.75%? What you are adding? No, I am saying this is initial value. 5% is initial value. Your desired slump is not obtained. Then you can add 0.5. Make with 5.5% of water. 5.5% of water, prepare the slump. Not satisfied. Then 5.5 को और 0.5 add करो, 6%. 6% water prepare करो. Then find out the slump. Not happening. Then 6 को और 0.5 add करो. Like that you can go ahead. Every time 0.5% added up. Sangram Garu. I have written already. We are not increasing all of a sudden 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So what is the question? Question समझ आ रहा है आपको पहले? Are you understanding what is the question? What is the question? Are you getting it? हाँ चलो. Gradually only we are going to add. Gradually every 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 add करके चल जाएगा. Gradually add करके चल जाएगा. चलो. In case of hand mixing of concrete, extra cement to be added. Extra cement for hand mixing of concrete. Good Kalyan, Prashant Kumar, Ashok, 10%, 10%, 10%. Separation of water on the fresh concrete is known as. Separation of water on the fresh concrete is known as. अरे मिस्सी, separation of coarser aggregate बोलो, ये हो जाएगा. Separation of coarser aggregate from finer aggregate बोलो, ये हो जाएगा. Chemical reaction of cement with water, hydration. Please understand this. Chemical reaction of cement with water, hydration. Separation of coarser aggregate from finer aggregate, segregation. Separation of water on fresh concrete. Bleeding. Bleeding बोल रहे. Cement concrete road is 1000 meter long, 8 meter wide, 15 centimeter thick. Dimensions provided. Over sub base of 10 centimeter thick gravel. Over sub base of 10 centimeter thick gravel. The cubic content of concrete 1:2, 2:4 for the road specified in is. Cubic content they are asking. Sanket, Akash Gupta, please check करो एक बार. Please check करो एक बार. Sanket and Akash Gupta. अरे cubic content of concrete 1000 meter length, 8 meter width, 0.15 meter thick. So what is the value? What is the value? 8000 into 0.15. 8000 into 0.15, 1200 meter cube. Na? Simply you need to construct a, just you need to construct a, this one. So what you are going to focus here? This length is mentioned. Length is mentioned 1000 meter. 1000 meter. This thickness is 15 centimeter. Thickness is 15 centimeter. This width is 8 meter. What is the cubic content? Cubic content is nothing but volume. It's simply a volume. Na? Cubic content is nothing but simply a volume. 1000 into 8 into 0.15. Pick up the correct statement from following. This one you require. This one or previous one, Supriya? Insufficient quantity of water makes concrete mix harsh, unworkable. Excess quantity of water makes concrete segregated. So water is less, insufficient water, concrete mix is harsh. Insufficient water, concrete mix is harsh. Insufficient water, concrete is unworkable. Insufficient water, concrete is unworkable. Excess quantity of water, concrete is segregated. All options correct. Pick up incorrect statement from following. Rich mix of concrete possesses higher strength than that a lean mix of desired workability with excessive quantity of water. Please understand. Lean mix of desired workability and this carry excessive quantity of water. Is that possible? If you are taking excessive quantity of water, if you are taking excessive quantity of water, is that possible? Wrong, na? It is false, na? Rich mix concrete possess high strength than lean mix. Oh, that is okay. But lean mix with desired workability and more water. So both are possible. Desired workability and more water both are possible. Both possibility एक साथ में नहीं चलेगा ना बेटा. The strength of concrete decreases as water cement ratio decreases. This is also wrong. This is also wrong, na? Strength of concrete decreases as water cement ratio increases. That is also wrong. Water cement ratio is less than 0.45. Concrete is not workable. Honeycomb structure. True. Good compaction by mechanical vibration. Yes. We can give excellent compaction by mechanical vibration. Strength of concrete increases. Strength of concrete increases. So guys, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we are having class depreciation, engineering economics, 2 p.m. The best questions from engineering economics, very important for all exams. Depreciation concept we will do. All questions which are required for GATE, SSC, ESC, for every exam, whatever questions required. Tomorrow 2 p.m. special class only. I will send the link in group. Don't worry. In special class only, tomorrow 2 p.m. We'll do depreciation. We have 3 topics. We are considering 3 topics. One is depreciation. One is cost estimation. Another one is tenders and contracts. These are remote areas. We expect this year the questions will be more focused because these are remote areas. We are going to think that questions will come. Vishal Sanket, Telegram channel is KP Sir students. Vishal Sanket, Telegram channel is KP Sir students. Oh, actually what happened? Supriya, Ashwin, I have scheduled the class. After that RCC class started. So only for tomorrow you can adjust. Supriya and Ashwin, only for tomorrow you can adjust. Okay. From next time onwards, I can ensure there will be no clash of schedule. Because all of a sudden today we came to know. All of a sudden today we came to know about RCC class. That is why. So guys, this is my mobile number. This is our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. This is the mobile number. You can contact me for any guidance, any preparation aspects. And you can refer your friends for free classes to take plus subscription. Hats के लिए. अरे, Anshu can take SSC JE subscription. Is that possible? Or